Hello, everybody. What a special occasion. Thank you very much giving me this wonderful opportunity to talk about myself. My name is Thái. My full name Nguyễn Thị Thái. I'm 20 years old. I come from Bắc Ninh province, but now I live in Hanoi. There are 5 people in my family. They are my parents, my older brother, some sister, and me. I love my mother so much. In my opinion, my mother is the best woman because she always stands by me whenever I get stuck and gives me lots of useful advice. I'm a third-year student at Harvard University of Industry. In my spare time, I like listening to music and going shopping with my friends. I like learning English because it's interesting and necessary. After graduate, I want to become famous engineer and earn a lot of money. Therefore, I decide to learn English because it's very necessary for my job. Thank you very much. Bye.